Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. So you're welcome to my stocks recommendation for the week. The Nigerian stock market has really gone up for like 7 weeks in a row. That means prices have really been rising without a break for almost 2 months. Last week alone, the market went up 2.36%. What this means is the market is still in an uptrend. It has actually been in an uptrend for a while now. And our share index is at 166,129. And market cap is at 106.35 trillion. And the reason for market cap jump is because UBA added 3.16 billion shares and Morrison as well added 2.66 million shares. All sectors gained last week. Now, when all sectors, gains like that, it usually means mid-cycle rally or, late stage rally. Definitely not an early cycle bull run. So to put this in context, um, think of it like people are still buying, but they are not aggressively buying. More people are now cautious of the markets, and this is a sign of early warning. So, what are my stocks recommendations for this week? First, in the banking sector, if you have been buying FCMB, well, just hold for now. And if you have been buying First Holdco, you might as well just hold for now. But you can, for now, you can buy Wema. Wema is good to buy for now, and UBA as well. UBA is good to buy for now. Prices have actually, gone up already for most banking stocks, and this is a typical late rally behavior. In the consumer goods sector, if you are holding Nestle, you might as well start thinking of selling at this point. However, NASCON is a good one to buy. In the industrial goods sector, cement stocks are stable, which is actually supported by construction and ongoing infrastructure. So you can buy Lafarge and Dangote cement. They look bullish and steady. However, I need to clarify that this is good for medium to long term investors. Before we continue, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, support the channel by hitting the subscribe button. So let's continue. Lastly, in the oil and gas sector, if you're looking to buy Seplat, well, technically you late to the party. And that's all I have for this week. Thanks for staying to the end of this video and bye for now.